Everyone talks about their glow-up era, but no one mentions the part where you disappear first. The part where you stop replying, stop posting, and start feeling like a background character in your own life. That's your winter arc. People think the winter arc is about becoming your best version. It's not. It's about falling apart strategically. It's that weird silent phase where you question everything. Your friends, your purpose, your entire personality. And no one notices because you're just busy. But deep down, you know something big is happening. So let's talk about it. The first sign of a winter arc is silence. No drama, no chaos. Just emotional radio static. You don't even plan it, you just slowly stop existing online. People text you okay. And you lie. Yeah, just focusing on myself. But that's not focus, that's shutdown mode. Psychologists call it cognitive rest. Your mind forcing you to stop pretending to be fine. So while everyone's posting New Year, new me, you're just lying on the floor, staring at your ceiling fan, wondering if this is character development or depression. Here's the twist. That stillness you hate, that's the reset button. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't find yourself in crowds, you find yourself when no one's clapping. You start hearing your real thoughts for the first time. The insecurities, the regrets, the weird intrusive thoughts that sound like a villain origin story. And that's the beauty of the winter arc. It's the era where you finally stop pretending to be the version everyone liked. When you isolate, your brain's default mode network activates. That's the system that builds your self-concept. So yeah, that's why you suddenly question your whole identity while brushing your teeth. Isolation feels like punishment, but it's actually construction. Let's talk about the winter arc challenge. You've seen it. Wake up at 5 a.m., cold shower, grind mode, disappear for a few months. Yeah. That's not growth. That's burnout with extra steps. Real transformation doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing less, but consistently. Psychologically, your brain doesn't care about your 10-hour hustle. It cares about predictability. Small, repeatable habits that create trust in yourself. The funny thing about the winter arc, people don't notice it happening, they just wake up one day and go, wait, when did you get your life together? That's because real growth is silent. While everyone else was shouting about their grind set, you were quietly building yours. Psychologically, it's called self-trust. When your brain learns it can rely on you. That's the point of the winter arc. Not becoming perfect, just becoming reliable to yourself. And the crazy part. Once you stop proving your worth, you naturally glow different. It's not confidence, it's peace. So if you're in your winter arc right now, feeling detached, tired, and a little lost, you're not falling behind, you're downloading a new version of yourself. The silence isn't empty, it's full of transformation you can't see yet. So stay in your winter arc. Let people wonder where you went, and when you come back, don't explain a damn thing,